Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. We're always looking for the brightest and the newest apartments in Dallas, and this is one of them. This is the Modera St. Paul. The Modera St. Paul in Dallas, Texas. It's gorgeous. It's in downtown Dallas, and we're looking at their two-bedroom. This is a quick walkthrough of their two-bedroom. Look at this kitchen, just the stunning details here, the really nice quartz lighter countertops, the wood look and feel here, the open cabinets, just a beautiful amount of space that's here. We've got a nice fridge over here with pantry, and then this really pretty island that's here. This is gorgeous. So you can put about 4 chairs on the other side. You really don't need a table. This is also has a huge living room area. Look at all the windows. This is just amazing. It looks beautiful, all the windows that are here. It's just stunning. And then let's go into one of the bedrooms. The bedrooms is really pretty. This is also, by the way, the vinyl goes all the way in here, so you have got a stunning experience in here too. And then you've got a lot of light always. And then look at this beautiful closet as well. Gorgeous closet, lots of space in here. And again, just all the really nice, easy to work with vinyl flooring that's in here too. Beautiful experience waiting for you to happen, waiting for you to see here at the Modera St. Paul in their 2-bedroom. Hey, if you're ready to take a tour and see more about how exciting this is to be in this new high-rise, send me a text. Just use the number below. Say, hey Grant, I'm in town, or I'm gonna be in town soon. I'd love to take a live tour in person. Or, hey, I'm not gonna be in town soon, but I'd like to take a virtual tour. We'll take care of that right away. I'll be happy to take care of that and set up that tour. Also, we have expertise in all of the Best Dallas Apartments, so we'd love to help you find your perfect place here. We'd be happy to set up a multiple apartment tour, virtual or live in person. So request that if you'd like. And by the way, you can send the text anytime, not just office hours, 24/7, you can send that text and we'll respond quickly. Hey, I look forward to hearing from you, and this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101.